Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to turn off this PC. So you can do this in two ways. The first one, the easy one, is to open the start menu, go to power options, select shutdown. This will turn your device off, but if your device's screen is frozen, then there is another option. You can press and hold the power key until the light on the power key turns off. Sometimes it takes a while. Okay, and when the light on the power button turns off, your laptop is completely shut down. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.